Standard 7th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1 Computer Systems Part 3. The computer system comprises of 3 units: input unit, process unit, output unit. Input unit. An input device is something you connect to a computer that sends information into the computer. Keyboard and mouse are the most common input devices. Scanner and digital camera are other examples. The input unit consists of devices that are used to feed data into the computer. Process unit. The central processing unit, CPU full form, is the most important unit where all the processing work is done. Alternately referred to as a processor, central processor or microprocessor. The CPU is the central processing unit of the computer. A computer's CPU handles all instruction it receives from hardware and software running on the computer. As an example, the CPU processes the instruction to use a web browser to open and display this web page on your computer. Students, CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. CPU performs all types of data processing operations. It stores data, intermediate results and instructions. It controls the operation of all parts of the computer. Output unit. Output devices is something you connect to a computer that has information sent to it. Monitor and printer are the most commonly known output devices. The CPU has 3 main components. First, control unit. Second, the arithmetic and logic unit. And third, memory unit. The control unit. This unit controls the operation of all parts of the computer but does not carry out any actual data processing operations. It is responsible for controlling the transfer of data and instruction among other units of the computer. The arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit. Functions of arithmetic section is to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All complex operations are done by making repetitive use of the above operations. Logic section. Function of logic section is to perform logic operations such as comparing, selecting, matching and merging of data. Memory or storage unit. This unit can store instructions, data and intermediate results. This unit supplies information to other units of the computer when needed. It is also known as internal storage unit or the main memory or the primary storage or random access memory. The computer memory is measured in bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte and terabyte. Inside the CPU. In the CPU there are many parts that all work together. These parts are generally found within a CPU case. The CPU case unit is either a metal or a plastic box that contains the main components for the computer to run. It contains the motherboard, processor chip, memory unit, power supply, etc. The main components inside the CPU are as follows. Motherboard. The motherboard is the backbone that ties the computer's components together at one spot and allows them to talk to each other. Without it, none of the computer pieces such as the CPU, GPU or hard drive could interact. Total motherboard functionality is necessary for a computer to work well. The motherboard or main board is the backbone of the computer. Now student, the motherboard consists of processor chip, PCI slots and memory unit. Processor chip. This is the chip that does the thinking and processing for the computer. PCI slots. Peripheral component interact. PCI slot is a built-in slot on a device that allows for the attachment of various hardware components such as network cards, modems, sound cards, disk controllers and other peripherals. Memory unit. Primary memory. Random access memory is the memory unit where data and information are temporarily stored for processing. It is the volatile memory which gets cleared as soon as the computer is switched off. Volatile means what, students? Volatile memory, in contrast to non-volatile memory, is computer memory that requires power to maintain the stored information. It retains its content while powered on, but when the power is interrupted, the stored data is quickly lost. Hard disk drive, HDD. Secondary memory. It is a part of the computer wherein information is stored for later retrieval. All the information that you access on the computer, all the documents like pictures, email messages and programs are saved in the hard disk drive. Unlike RAM and HDD does not store information temporarily. Now student, hard disk drives are commonly used as the main storage device in a computer. DVD-ROM drive. A DVD-ROM permanently stores data files which cannot be changed, written over or erased. Students, this drive allows you to access the data stored on a CD or a DVD. Thank you.